YouTube, it's Erin, and I'm the Handbag Housewife. I almost forgot who I was. And I have a video for you today. We are going to unbox another Saint Laurent Loulou small puffer bag. I already told you, so why keep it a secret? You just don't know what color I chose. So the next two Saint Laurent boxings that I unbox are going to be because of what happened with Italist and the Fendi Baguette. And these two bags together ended up costing not that much less than the Fendi cost. I got a fabulous deal. And if you want to know where I got them, just send me a DM. My DM on Instagram is the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase, or an email at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. I kind of want to keep the website under wraps so that the resellers don't go snap up all of these items, but the Saint Laurent items are so well priced. Not all of them, but most of them. Almost all of them are below retail, and then they offer an additional 10% off coupon on your first purchase, which is huge. Nobody gives discounts on Saint Laurent, but this company does. And if I advertise the company, they might stop doing it. So I'm not going to do that. But if you want to know, send me a private message, one of those two ways. This item, I actually got 20% off the price that they had it for, which was $25.90. So I got it for a $19.92. And that is fabulous because retail price now is $3,200 for this bag. That is why I am selling some of my contemporary bags and buying some of these luxury bags, because the price just went up so much and I found a way to snag some of them at a deal still. And this is basically what the prices were when these bags came out, which is unheard of. So I'm going to open this up. Actually, I say that this is the price that these bags never were, because they came out over $2,000, I believe, when they very first arrived. They were always more expensive than the Small Loulou, and these are the Small Loulou puffer. And so I know when I very first started buying Saint Laurent, I think the Small Loulou was either a hair under 2,000, like 1950, or maybe it was 2030. It was right around that point. And of course now they're over $3,000, and that's been less than 4 years. What the heck? All the companies are doing it though. It's just the style. It's just the fad. Can you see what color I've got? Oh my goodness. Ah. Oh guys, I've been dying to unwrap this beauty. Okay, it says I can get lead on this one too. Shoot. I'm in trouble, man. Okay, so let's open her up. Now the seal on the tape on this one was broken, so I think it was actually a return. And I did peek at it before this unboxing, so that's why I say that. There are some very small dents in the back from the chain. I imagine that when it was sent back, that the person who packed it to send it back didn't do as good of a job as the company sent it to them in. But that's just a supposition. I don't know. I was able just to rub on these and get 99% of them out. This leather is so malleable. It's a lambskin. And by the way, this color is Opyum Red, and it is a fabulous color. And before I go any farther, I want to just show you this bag. I sold this bag yesterday. This is the soft tabby hobo in the color brick red. And it is a very similar color to the Opyum Red, except for I think the Opyum Red has some additional blue undertones perhaps. Sophie Shohet showed this one on her channel, and I can link the video down below if I can find it. But when she showed hers, she showed it with roses in the background, and it looked so much like the roses in the color. I just think it's fabulous. And I thought, oh my gosh, why am I buying another red shoulder bag that has chains? I do not need another one. I just got the Longchamp Brioche. So let me grab that one and show you what the difference is right after I get this paper off of the handles. We got to enjoy her in all of her fabulousness. We can't be looking at paper on the handles. And I just want to check the handles real quick. So this one has the aged bronze hardware. I love Saint Laurent's aged bronze hardware much more than their shiny gold. I think the shiny gold is okay if it's just the YSL plaque on a small leather good, but otherwise, if it's chains, I want the aged gold. And I do feel like I can wear either rose gold jewelry or yellow gold with this, but if it's the shiny gold, I don't know. I guess I could still, it just depends on the color. So I felt like I was duplicating my brioche, but I really don't think I was. I think that they're pretty darn different. What do you guys think? This makes this bag almost look like a burgundy color. And it's just almost a burgundy color. I have this Tory Burch McGraw bag in the claret color, and I thought this was more of a burgundy color, but it does have a lot of purple in it. But you can see there another color comparison. I really do think that this color, which is called Opyum Red, is the color of red roses. It's just fabulous. And I was going around my closet and surprised with all the things it goes with. It is a very versatile color. The thing that I like the most with it was leopard though. And so that's why I'm wearing this leopard top. So I'm wearing the same pants in all of my videos today, which is like 3 or 4 different videos, but I'm trying to change tops just to switch it up. Don't you think that that color looks great with leopard print? Because I sure do. So I would say this is a win-win winner. Chicken dinner. I need to spray her with some apple guard, although probably this bag's dark enough it would not get color transfer, but just to be on the safe side, I like to spray my bags. The leather on these is lambskin, while on the Small Loulou bags, it's actually calfskin. So this on your left is the Small Loulou in the calfskin leather. And of course, the new red Saint Laurent puffer bag is in the lambskin. And you can see that this one here has a Y chevron pattern. You can see it especially on the back. It's a Y for Yves Saint Laurent. And then this one, it doesn't have that. It is really more of just a true chevron quilted pattern. I don't know what else I can say about these bags. They're fabulous. They feel so good. I'm not gonna lie, the brioche bags feel amazing too though. In a head-to-head comparison with the brioche, you can see that the base is very similar. The Saint Laurent gets wider at the base, just like the brioche, although the brioche is a bit wider, but the Saint Laurent bag is just a little taller. And then as far as the length of the bag, let's just see if there's a difference. The Saint Laurent bag is a little longer. I would say the capacity of these two bags is almost identical. And so if you're looking for a look for less, getting one of these, and this is the Longchamp Brioche bag in the medium size, which some people call the large size. The way you can tell the difference is the medium size has 2 leather breaks and all the smaller sizes only have 1. But if you're looking for a look for less, they have this one for $8.95 retail, and you can find it at the outlets for at least 30% off or about $5.99. TJ Maxx has them. They come in horrible condition sometimes, but that's worth a try if there's a certain color you're looking for, like black or the light pink. I ended up returning my black one because even though I got a better one, it was still collapsing on one side a little bit, and I just don't wear black that much. I like colors or neutrals. I like neutrals. I like grays and taupes, and then I like colors. And I have a few wonderful black bags, like a Chanel medium large and my Alma BB in the empreinte leather. And so I don't really need to add a bunch more black bags. Oh, and I forgot, I just added my wonderful ruched Tory Burch bag, which I still haven't carried, with the black with the silver hardware. So I'm kind of covered on black, and I don't really want to buy more black. So that's why I returned the black one, in addition to the fact that it was a little bit crushed since they sent it in a bag. Anyway, I am sweating my pants off, and I'm not even wearing heavy pants. So I think I'm going to sign out. I'm Erin. I'm the Handbag Housewife. If you like this video, please give me a huge thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. That was a lot. If you don't hear from me, no. If I don't see you, no. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.